Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel your RTL Plus subscription. Let's get started. Method 1. Cancel RTL Plus subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Select RTL app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a RTL Plus subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select RTL Plus app from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And you are done. Method 3. You can also cancel your subscription in my RTL Plus account. Go to the RTL Plus website and log in. You might need your password handy. Click on your profile icon in the top corner and select Account or Main Profile. Look for a section labeled Main Packet or Subscription. It shows your current plan. Click the button to cancel or kündigen. You might have to click through a few "Are you sure?" screens. And you are done. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.